Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will share how you can make $2,000 per day. Easy peasy without your own website, without technical knowledge, and without experience. And you can do it from anywhere in the world. It is absolutely free and it can be done from anywhere in the world, no matter which country you are in. You can get paid through PayPal or any other payment method. You can even get paid through Bitcoin or any other crypto you want. Sky is the limit what you can do with this technique. And for that, we are going to use a free software, but we will be recommending paid software as well. As you grow and make more and more money, we will recommend you how you can scale up without you actually working. So this is going to be an amazing video, but you have to stick to the end of the video to get all the information step by step. And we will share it in a manner that it is very much possible to copy paste even if you are a complete beginner. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified by YouTube when we will upload our next money making video. By the way, with all our videos, not only we share amazing money making tips, tricks, steps, but also we share our premium softwares 100% free that make us money and that will make you money if you use them. So they will be somewhere I will share later in the video, but please keep watching the video. Don't miss any section, because if you miss any section, so please stay till the end of the video and watch every section to get every part of this video and to get benefited from the whole strategy. It starts from, oh, by the way, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you help them learn how to make money easily. So let us begin. This system works. Look at my PayPal balance. You can do it too. If we can do it, you can do it too. So go to Google and search with the keyword called SpinBot and find this spinbot.com. Go to spinbot.com. This can be a paid software and this can be a free software. Use it free first of all. Go to the text spinner section and spin any text question. What do you want to spin? You want to spin the most trending information right now, and that is Google News. Go to Google News and you can select any section you want. You can go for the sports, science, entertainment, technology. They're always hot. Even business, why not? Your local news, that can be very interesting. Let's go for technology. I love technology and you love it too. That's why you are here today. So this content was published 12 hours ago. View the full coverage. BBC is talking about Wordle. Wordle inventor overwhelmed as New York Times buys game. Ooh. So this is a hot information, right? Did you see what happened? This Wordle suddenly became the talk of the town on Google Trends. Everybody is talking about it. This is the right time to write content about Wordle. Okay, so just for an example, you copy paste this section. Just copy. I'm not saying you copy from BBC, but let's say how to do it. I'm just showing you how to do it. I copied it, so paste. I already copied this content, so I just pasted it and I'm going to spin it. This is called spinning. Click. It's an ad. Close. Click. Oh, okay. Yes. All right. Failed. Okay. So probably I just have to put one puzzle on another. This looks cool. So I spun it and it's a completely new text. Now I can use it and publish it anywhere I want. Now I highly recommend don't just blindly use it. What you should do is to go through the text and check whether there is any grammatical mistake or any spelling mistake. Correct the mistakes. Compare with the original. Use your due diligence that this is not exactly the original one. And now the text is ready to publish. Where are you going to publish to make money? Because we are here to learn how to make money. When you have a content writer, the world is open for you to make money. I'm going to tell you what others won't. Go to Google and search for websites that pay for content. And you will find list of hundreds of websites that pay for content. Now, I always ask myself, this is what I do, and that is how I built a 7-figure software business online. I ask myself, why would somebody pay me? What is their benefit? How do you know that? You will know it by going to the website. Let's say medium.com. They pay a tiny little amount of money for publishing content. No, not only publishing content, but also how many people viewed or read your content. You can get results faster using my softwares that we use to make money, and links are in the description. Go get them and use them. They're premium softwares, but free for my YouTube viewers. You should get them today. Go get them. Why do you think they do that? They do that to get awesome content and leave the open rates, leave the content engagement to you. They pay you that tiny amount of money, still they keep a lot of profit. So when they keep a lot of profit, they can run their business for a long time. And as a content creator or publisher, you and me or our companies make money from sites like medium.com. But medium.com is not the best paying website. But go to this article, publish 21 amazing sites that will pay you $100 per article. Now, if you publish one article and get paid $100, 5 articles will get you $500. But that's not all. There are websites that will pay you over $400, $500 to $700. Get 3 of them published per day and you will easily make $2,000. Now, of course, there are processes and they do their quality checking. You have to pass that, but who cares? If you are making money, you can actually get your content written using Spinbot maybe, if it's good quality, or hire someone to write it for you at a cheaper price and you get paid at a higher price. So if you pay $1,000 for content writing and you get paid $3,000, then it's a $2,000 profit. Now that's one of the ways. Another way is to go Fiverr.com and offer a writing service. Now I told you that this is going to be a passive income system for you, and the way to do it is not to do it yourself. You can start just like me and every other entrepreneurs, learn it, learn the craft, and teach others to do the job for you. Now with writing gigs, as I understand, you should be getting stuff or content written by your assistants or your staff or employees or freelancers, and you will get paid as the owner of the gig, so you keep the profit, pay them from the profit. But what's important here is how you start getting paid from Fiverr. See, as a beginner, it's very hard to get on top of Fiverr recommendations. So when somebody come and look for writing service on Fiverr, they look for higher rating, what you are offering. So when a customer or a client look for a writing service on Fiverr, first they look at what you are offering. So if your offer fits them, like engaging blog post or professional content writer, health, beauty, lifestyle, blog article, whatever your offer is, after they choose your gig, they want to check your rating. So if you don't have any sales on Fiverr, then you might not get recommended by Fiverr on top. It will be a hard job for you. So what can you do? You start with Fiverr. Get in touch with your clients wherever you get them and ask them to pay you an incentive or ask them to pay you through Fiverr. So wherever you are getting in touch of any writing client, ask them to buy your Fiverr gig. Anywhere you get paid for anything, ask them to buy your Fiverr gig and pay you through your Fiverr gig. This way, you get number of sales. You ask for a 5-star rating and an awesome review. You can get results faster using my softwares that we use to make money, and links are in the description. Go get them and use them. They're premium softwares, but free for my YouTube viewers. You should get them today. Go get them. This way, you start building your Fiverr gig reputation. More your gig is making sales and making money, in fact, for Fiverr, because Fiverr will take some money from every sale. Fiverr would love to push your gig on top of Fiverr searches or as recommendations for customers. Now that's not all. iWriter.com is an awesome content service. Thousands of people look for contents on iWriter.com. iWriter customers pay at this rate, and you can see for highest quality, they even pay $362 for 5,000 words. With a spin bot like this or any other spinner software or any other AI or artificial intelligence writer software, it's extremely easy for you to write. So number of words is not a big deal. For 6,000 words, which can be done with softwares, you're getting paid $400, $300. Super amazing, right? Now, this is not all, because I want you to actually make money. So to actually make money, now that's not all. I want you to be in full control over your income. And for that, you need your own website. I kept it for the last section of this video because most of my viewers would not like to have a website. But don't worry, because link in the description will get you my premium auto blogging software, but free for my viewers. Install it in your WordPress site and build your website completely hands-free. Then there is another software. That software will publish your content on social media sites and get traffic. I'm going to show you an example. You see this Pinterest account, it's called Dollar Sanity. Dollar Sanity is the Pinterest account of dollarsanity.com. Look at their traffic analytics. Dollarsanity.com has 94,000 monthly visitors. This is amazing. One visitor is approximately equal to 50 cents to $1.50, approximately $1. So you can expect they make around $94,000 to $100,000 from this blog. If you look at their traffic, most of the 73% traffic comes from search engines, which is coming in a moment, but they have 9% social traffic, and almost all, more than 50% traffic from social media come from Pinterest. So here is their Pinterest account, right? And look at that. They have 15,000 followers and 358,000 monthly views. Now, if you look at their content on Pinterest, is nothing but images. So they publish lucrative images. They're mostly free templates from Canva. Anyone can get it free. Simply the headline, and they attach their link with those images. Example, this image or this pin. You see this? This is the link with this pin or this image. In this method, my software will do this for you completely free and automatically, so you don't have to do it manually. Go get that software. But in this method, they got 15,000 followers and over 300,000 views from Pinterest. And look at that, they have amazing traffic from Pinterest. So use my software, publish your content automatically using auto blogging, and another software to publish your content on Pinterest and get traffic from Pinterest. But content comes first. And if you want to use high quality content, this is the method you can go for. So simply by using this Pinbot or any software to create content, you can make money from other websites that pay for content, other clients on Fiverr or freelancer sites that pay for content, and you can publish your content on your website and get traffic from social media, make money all by yourself. So literally a lot of options you can use only by using a software like this. Amazing, right? Now finally, I will tell you the secret to bigger success. Bigger success means hitting your income goal, whatever your goal is. The secret to success is, if you really want to get success from something, you have to do it continuously, constantly, relentlessly for a long time. This is crucially important. Once you do something for a long time, people know you that you are serious in the business, and they hire you. They go through your content. They follow you. They subscribe to your email list. They subscribe to your social channels. You build influence, you make sales, you generate leads, and you actually become rich using the power of internet. That is it. I hope you loved our video. This video contained a lot of valuable information that can make you money starting today. All you have to do is to use the strategy. If you think you need it, go back and watch this video again. Take notes if you want, and start taking action today. Even if it's 1 minute a day, 5 minutes a day, 1 hour a day, work continuously. Even if it's a small amount, work continuously until you never have to work again. I hope you all the best. I wish you best of the best success. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will find you as the most important viewer to notify when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family. and all your social media contacts, as this way you help them learn how to make money online the most reliable way, the most legit way, and the easiest way. And they will follow you and they will love you. You can get results faster using my softwares that we use to make money, and links are in the description. Go get them and use them. They're premium softwares but free for my YouTube viewers. You should get them today. Go get them. And they will also get notified when we will upload our next video. We will see you in the next video.